This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your MacBook Air is current and has enough space. This prevents failures during install. Download Google Chrome when you want full Google integration, or use Safari if you prefer built-in performance. Once the DMG finishes, open it and drag Chrome to Applications. You'll be asked to allow opening apps from identified developers. Make sure to unlock security and privacy to permit installation if Mac OS blocks it, and keep the installer until you verify Chrome opens correctly. You now open Chrome and immediately sign in with your Google account so your bookmarks, extensions, and passwords follow you. When Chrome asks, "Enable sync," this merges data from other devices and stores it encrypted in your account. Once synced, go to Chrome settings and set it as the default browser so links and Spotlight use Google directly. Also install any essential extensions like Google Account or Password Manager. These streamline authentication and keep your workflow consistent across devices. You finish by tailoring Chrome. Pin Google Apps to the dock and create profiles if you use multiple accounts for work and personal use. If Google pages are slow or fail to load, clear the cache and cookies, then disable extensions to isolate the culprit. Once done, make sure Mac OS and Chrome are updated. Outdated builds cause compatibility problems. If issues persist, reinstall Chrome or reset browser settings to defaults. One key tip: test in an incognito window to determine if extensions or cache are the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.